Alright, so now I'm here with a brother called Blacka Di Danca. My name correct, sir?
Yes, you have it really correct.
Alright, so what brings you here to Shaggy and Friends 2018?
Well, I have to definitely support what he's doing for the hospital.
Yeah.
He has a children's hospital and he's supporting the kids.
Yeah.
And I'm actually here in Jamaica and I have my own children's program running right now.
Okay,
I
awesome.
did a dance program last year for children and I've been dancing twice a week and I'm trying to employ the local Jamaican dancers. So it all just ties into support another fellow brother doing the same for the community.
So let me just say this, to be honest, I wasn't really fully sure exactly, you know, like if you're based, if you were born in Jamaica, or what really happened. Yeah. But I just see a thing on social media, so like I see that you have like a very good social media presence.
Yeah.
And was it like, just give me a little background, a little history into like how you just became Blacka Di Danca to where you are now, where you're so recognizable.
Well, I was born and raised in Brooklyn, New York City.
Yeah.
And if you've ever been in Brooklyn, you know it's the melting pot of not just the Caribbean, but the world.
Yeah, yeah.
So I've been going to dancehall parties since about 2003 in New York City, dancing every day, every night, skipping school and just dancing and just enjoying.
I'm gonna see a link up with One Ramon,
that's my brother from long time, good friends, and almost every entertaining industry, because we all have one goal in supporting dancehall culture and pushing it to the highest heights.
I see a Vince man, I'm definitely love it because I can recognize, even though dancing is not my strong point, but I can see that you dance with a lot of heart and a lot of passion.
Well, you get me? Don't do anything unless your heart is involved. Whether it's dancing, whether it's love, whether it's music, whether it's a conversation, your heart always has to be involved.
Alright. So for somebody like me who kind of have to like left foot, like what you think is like a go-to dance? Like when you're at a party, like where you can feel comfortable, at least doing that one move I know say it might look somewhat competent. Well, what's that go-to move?
We might have to teach you to fling your shoulder right now.
You can fling? I can try fling.
Alright, it's good.
Again, hold on. Okay, hold on.
Wings to get you up, cause I'm way up. We up.